welcome to my channel. From today's video, I'll be teaching you about C programming language. It will be an entire fun course. I'll be teaching you everything from basic to advanced level, and I'll be releasing them in every weekend with some questions that will make you understand the topic in better way. But for today's video, I'll be talking about what is C programming language and what is IDE, and how to install them, and we'll be writing our first hello world code in our compiler. Hi, I'm Tanvir from CodeMonster. I'll be teaching you and talking about this topic after the intro. So please stay with me. Hey, now we are going to talk about what is C programming language and what is IDE, and we'll be install them in computer. For that reason, I will move my camera to my laptop screen. So let's talk about a C programming language is a one kind of computer programming language that was built and designed for do some system programming for operating system that is known as Unix. I will talk about them after this course. Okay, course. It was built about around 1970s with the help of Dennis Ritchie and Hans Thompson in Bell's lab. For that reason, it is also known as portable language and imperative language. That is all you need to know about C. Let's know about the full meaning of IDE. The full meaning of IDE is Integrated Development Environment, where the software engineers and programmers create their own program to do and create something new for their technology. Now let's talk about what is IDE. IDE is one kind of application, computer-based application that was developed and designed, combined with many kind of tools like paint tools, programming tools, and editing tools, etc. That's thing all are needed for a software developer to do something in a compiler and IDE. There are various type of IDE like suppose VS Code, Android Studio, NDK, SDK, etc. That is all you need to know about IDE. Now we are going to type and write our first hello world code in our IDE. Now to write our first hello world code in our IDE, we need to install our CodeBlock compiler. It's so easy. This compiler is help us to write our code inside of its data and file. So first, open your favorite browser. My favorite browser is Brave, so I opened it already, and open new tab of your browser and write codeblock.org. It will take you to its real website where you can see all the documentation, which version is released, when, which time and when. To download it, you can see a download option in the menu bar. So click on the download. It will take you to its download file. Then as a beginner, we need to download the binary image because it's so easy, and you can download all the feature of CodeBlocks by downloading the binary release. So I click on this binary release, and it will take me to the its download source page. When you come here, you need to scroll and you see some download file, source file, where you can download your compiler from. So in here, for CodeBlock 20.03 setup.exe, 29 March 2020 it was released, 29 March of this year. So in here, its left corner, left side, you can see ForceUp or SourceForge.net. You can download from any of this option, but for me and for as a beginner, you need to click on ForceUp because it will directly install the main setup file in your computer. then it will start your downloading. It will take 3 or 4 seconds. It depends on your internet speed. uh, my internet speed is little bit slow, so it takes taking a little bit time, but it's already been installed. So after installation, after this file is downloaded, you need to install it, right? So I already downloaded it in my desktop screen. So in here you can see the file, the code block instead of application. You need to double click on it, and it will ask, do you want to install it as an administrator or not? If you don't click yes, it will directly disable the installation. If you so for that we need to click yes. It will open the installation wizard of the code block. Then click next. Then you need to agree with the condition. You also then click next. Then you need to choose your file location where you want to save your file. For me, I will be saving my file in F, and okay. Then I will click install, and it will take some time to installation. This already uh, been installing and already finished. It will take some time. I already told you that it depends on your computer speed. And it's almost done and finished. And when it's finished, it will directly you need to directly click yes and click next. Then you need to click finish, and the wizard will automatically start the code block for you. And that's how we install our code block in our laptop or PC, whatever you are using. It's simple, and same for Mac. Mac, if you have any kind of problem, I'll give you some link that it will help you to install the code block in your Mac or other OS system in easy way. Or if you want, I can also show you that in my way. And you can see the the installation is finished and my code block is open now. That's how we install our code block. Now we are going to type our first hello code. Now we are going to write our first hello code in our code block compiler. So for that, we need to open our code block. I already opened my code block. When you open your code block, you can see some file of some option, and you can see an image of code block. When you click on it, it will directly take you to its home page for more options and more documentation, more resources, and how to install and how to code and other things you need to know. So in below section of the image, you can see 3 options. One is create new project, open, and second one is open an existing project, and third one is keep of the day. Those in code block. Now, for us as a beginner, we will start a new file by typing Ctrl Shift N. When we click on that or press or type our code, type in our keyboard, it will directly open a new file. We need to save it as a C extension. If we don't, then the compiler will not able to understand what we are want to do in our compiler. So we will do that. We will save this file by clicking Ctrl S. Then Rina will not be able to understand what kind of file it is. So click save. Then we need to type input studio.h, then ending address, then type int name. I'll talk about every line of code from next video, so don't worry what I'm writing right now, just watch what I'm doing. Then inside is second bracket I will type int f and write we have a hello world. Then we'll return 0, and in left side of the top left side you can see some buttons, so building button, play button and play building button. We need to first we need to build this file as a C file, then we need to run it. So we'll click play and build button. It will take some time, then it will show answer in your command prompt like that, hello world. That is how we write our first hello world code. Thank you for this video. If you like my video, please destroy the like button and subscribe my channel. That will inspire me to make more video for you. And please don't forget to share with your friends that they can learn my video and something new from my videos. I have to see you next week. See ya.